Cross-site scripting is one of the most common vulnerabilities in web applications. It's characterized by an attacker having the ability to run malicious code, usually JavaScript, within the targeted user's web browser. Consider a typical web application. As the user navigates and interacts with the website, their browser continuously communicates with the application in the form of HTTP requests and responses. Imagine that user John Doe is filling out a contact form. He adds his first and last name, and the web application responds with a page that says, "Hello, John Doe." Now, let's say that instead of his first name, he types in JavaScript code. The web application will respond with that same hello page, but instead of John, it uses the JavaScript code. When John's browser sees the script tag, it executes the code. A real cross-site scripting attack wouldn't be as obvious. For example, an attacker might get people to click on a link with malicious code embedded, like in an email impersonating a bank or a shortened URL on social media promoting a fake story. When the link is clicked, it sends the request to the vulnerable web application and the code executes. This attack pattern is called reflected cross-site scripting because the code embedded in the request is reflected back to the individual user by the vulnerable application. Another more dangerous variation is called stored cross-site scripting because the web application stores malicious code and replays it to multiple users. And there is a third variant, DOM-based cross-site scripting, that occurs on the client side without any server interaction. Luckily, these vulnerabilities are preventable with secure coding practices and a combination of validating and properly escaping user-supplied inputs.